think that that's over the line. I had a conversation with my daughter about that, and she said, yeah, some of my friends make fun of me because I'm just a mom. And I said, what do you mean just a mom? I said, don't you ever say you're just a mom. I said, do you understand that being a mom is the most important job on the planet? If moms stopped doing their jobs, we would all be dead. We would have a nation full of serial killers. And we're kind of getting a lot more school shooters because they ain't spending enough time with their mama. No kid who got consistent love from their mama ever grew up and shot up the school. I just don't believe any kid has ever who really, really got to spend a lot of quality time with mama when they were little, grew up and said, I'm just gonna kill everybody today. Okay. So mothers are important, right? So here's the deal. I believe that theory when I read that the Rockefellers poured money into the school system so that people would have someone to babysit their kids so they can come to work. I believe that. I also believe the other theory about the Rockefellers and others pouring money into the school system to be based on the idea that they need people that are trained to be workers. They wanted to train America similar to how they trained black people during slavery. If you remember, if you read Dr. Claude Anderson books, like Powernomics and Black Labor, White Wealth, and you guys know we read those books every week. We do Powernomics training every Wednesday. It's totally free to the public. Just bring your family, bring everybody. You ain't got to pay money. Just pay attention and bring your family. Text the word greatness to 87948. If you text greatness to 87948, I'll send you an invitation. It's amazing, right? So we've been going through Dr. Claude Anderson books, and one thing that he documents very well in his book Black Labor, White Wealth is that there was a specific and deliberate, very economically conscious. There's that term, economic consciousness. Remember, this is economic consciousness training, financial consciousness training. They made a financially conscious decision to train black people to be a very loyal, subservient workforce that was not going to be competitive with white men. That's it. As long as you don't compete with white people, as long as you know your place, as long as you stay in your lane, as long as you don't get too uppity, then we would love to have you here. We want you here because we need backup. We need support. We need somebody to do all the work. And then, of course, we're going to take all the credit and we're going to get all the money, but we need you to take pride in doing all the work. We want you to take pride in how much you help us. We want you to take pride in how much you do for us, right? So to me, when they design the public school systems, it's kind of the same way. There are lots of people that give their lives to corporations. They will give their lives. They will go work at Walmart and they'll wear the Walmart badge with honor. They'll take pride in their position. Like I'm now a regional manager, and of seven, I got 7 Walmart stores that I control, and all that. And I get that. I respect that. But the problem is that those aren't really your stores. You're really kind of a babysitter. That's what you are. You're like a babysitter that says, look, I'm in charge of 7 kids, and that's fine, but you're not a parent, though. Being a babysitter is not the same as a parent. So, in general, the school system, and it's not just done to black people, they just really do it to black people.